Hey YouTubers, as you hear in the background is the tornado sirens. Every first Wednesday of the month here in Minnesota, they do the monthly test for the tornado sirens, or whatever you call them. But most commonly nowadays, the tornado sirens. So figured I'd record a little bit of that for you. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Please subscribe to this channel if you feel like it. If you don't, that's totally cool too. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.